is Ecliptic Pirez, and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is Constellations near Jupiter. So the best way to really look at planets in the sky is to follow the ecliptic. And the ecliptic is the apparent path of the sun. And the best way to think about this is, okay, most planets, so planets are orbiting the sun, and most planets are in the orbital plane of the sun. Therefore, they sort of follow the same path as the sun would. So when we look for a planet, we generally want to find where the ecliptic is, and that's generally the line where you'll find most of the planets. So that means that depending on your year, depending on the time, depending where you are, the planet will be near different constellations, but generally speaking, is going to fall within the zodiac constellations plus Ophiuchus. So when we think of the zodiac, we think about the 12 constellations, right? Well, there's actually 13 of them, and this is an 18-degree band in the sky that follows the ecliptic. So as the sun moves through this line, we kind of have this band of constellations, right? So we have the stars in each band. Let's say this is Gemini, and then we have Taurus, and so forth. So around the ecliptic, we have these 12 constellations plus Ophiuchus, which is the 13th constellation that the zodiac doesn't really acknowledge. So I'll put plus Ophiuchus. The best thing to really find Jupiter, it will have to be depending on the year that you're looking at it. So maybe like in 1995, and this is an example, it could be in Gemini, and then like a few years later, it's actually moved towards Taurus. And I mean, what I'm trying to say is that it changes with the years, and it changes with the time. But generally speaking, Jupiter will be found near the 12 constellations plus Ophiuchus around the ecliptic. My name is Ecliptic Pirez, and I'm an astrophysicist, and these are the constellations near Jupiter.